Hello everybody. Today we are making mini pizza. I'll show you how to make it. So first, I'm gonna get a spoon. And I'm just kinda gonna get like a little scoop of well actually let me state the ingredients. First you'll need marinara sauce or something like that, whatever sauce you choose. You'll need pepperoni, some cheese. I choose sharp cheddar because I don't know. And then you also need some sort of bread. I'm choosing a tortilla. So what you do is you take about just a big giant scoop of this and you kind of just throw it on there. And maybe if you want it a little bit more saucy, you could just kind of like put more on there. Because I want mine a little bit more saucy. So there. Now that you've covered the whole pizza, let me put this spoon away there. Okay, so now that you've covered the whole pizza, you take your cheese, and then you get about a handful, and you just give it a little sprinkle pretty much everywhere. And I just want mine to be a little bit more, so I'll get like half a handful. There we go. So now, what you're gonna do is once you've done that, and you could put this pizza sauce over. I mean, it's your choice. It's your pizza. I'm choosing pepperoni as my topping. So then there, and then there, and there. Okay, so now you put it in the microwave for 1 minute. I'll be right back when it cooks. Actually, you know how I said about the 1 minute thing? It depends on what you're using. So I actually do it for 40 seconds and it should cook it. So, yeah. Is there a blur on the camera? I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna slice mine up. So let me get my pizza thing. And there and there. But with these, it's recommended to pretty much cut it like about like I don't know. It's recommended for me to cut it about to make it so it has at least 2 sides. I guess. I mean 4 chunks. What am I saying? 4 chunks. So yeah. Anyway, enjoy.